I love this product, I love this company, and I'd like to show you how the filter itself works. I call it the better water choice, and that's what most of the consumer magazines have agreed, and it's also what NSF certification and testing shows us. But how does the thing work? Pretty simple. We know, and we've known for a long time, that activated charcoal is an effective way at reducing chemical contaminants, tastes, odors, chlorine. But the problem is most filters are inadequate. They use a type of filter, I'm going to pour this out so you can see it, it's granular activated charcoal. And if I pour it out, you can see that we get little grains of charcoal, almost like sand. And the problem with that kind of a filtering material is that water channels through it. It can push the grains aside so not all the water gets filtered. Early in the 1970s, Multipure Corporation developed a new technology, a new way to use activated charcoal. They developed something called the solid carbon block, and it is the state of the art in the water industry because it removes over 99% of over 80 different contaminants. This is one of our filters, and this is what a customer changes once a year. This is what goes inside their filter housing. The outer layer is a pre-filter, and now I'm going to show you the inside. See, this is cut in half for you to see. This is a solid carbon block. So it's activated charcoal that's been compressed to a very fine density. The density of these pores is actually less than 1/2 a micron. And a micron is 100 times smaller than a human hair if you cut it lengthwise. So 1/2 a micron, we're getting down to a very, very dense, fine pore size. The water goes, when it enters your filter, it goes from the outside. I'm going to show you. The water goes from the outside through the pre-filter and then into the center. So from all directions, the water goes from the outside into the center, and then it comes up to your faucet, your Multipure faucet, where you can drink it. This outer layer traps the dirt and the sediment and the particulates, those things that are suspended in the water. And the carbon block, being so fine and so dense, is able to take out things like volatile organic chemicals, such as pesticides, chlorine, heavy metals like lead and mercury, and many other substances. This is the state of the art. You deserve to have it in your kitchen.